In today's video, I'm going to show you the top 10 apps that will pay you in 2024 within the next 24 hours. Just a quick disclaimer on all of these apps. These applications are not going to pay you sustainable, wealthy income of thousands of dollars every single month. These apps should be considered as a side hustle income you can use to invest and scale into other ventures. These apps will on average pay a couple of dollars per hour. Without further ado, app number 1. Calculator.com. Now I want to show you users making hundreds of thousands of dollars using this website. This platform reveals the analytics of the top performing creators on TikTok and what products they're using, even revealing their exact videos that they're using to make tens of thousands and hundreds of thousands of dollars of sales on the TikTok shop through their content. On the homepage of Color Data, you can view the top performing products, the top creators, and what videos they are creating on specific products, allowing you to piggyback their videos. You can replicate their videos in their same way, and you can connect their products to your store. And every time you get a sale, you're going to earn a commission on that. So you essentially affiliate marketing, drop shipping products. So therefore you don't have to worry about any customer issues, packaging, shipping, any overheads. You can do this mobile anywhere in the world and run a fully fledged online store through TikTok content anywhere in the world. And that's what makes this platform so powerful. I can actually go and view the top performing videos, the exact product that they're making, and how much money this video is making. I can even filter Color Data down by the top shops, the top creators and their content, the top products, the top performing videos, and even the top performing live streams. So over here right now, the top performing video is of this lady over here who promoted a Kiala, which is a health and fitness product that helps people lose weight. She made a 3-minute video. I can actually click on this video, watch it, download it, so I know exactly what she's saying. I can get ideas for my scripts from her videos to promote the same product because it's obviously working. She has made over $152,000 on this product so far, and they even give you a revenue and performance graph, so you can identify the products that are currently at an uptrend performing, because those are ideally the products you want to catch onto, and the products that are currently dying, the products that you want to stay away from. So for example, this product over here had quite a nice uptrend and now has completely died. So this is not a product or a piece of content that we really want to focus on right now. However, this product over here was completely flat and is now currently taking off completely. So this could be a good product example. We can go and click on her product over here. So I can open this in a new tab, or I can click on it straight away, and it will give me all the necessary data that I need about this product. You can see here the amount of views, the amount of items that have sold, the amount of revenue that this product has created, and the amount of new followers this product has created. I can view this content creator's account, and I can even view the exact video that has generated these sales. You can use this platform to piggyback the top performing products, the top videos, as long as you don't download and copy and paste, because then copyright infringement does come into play. You need to use this tool to identify trends, identify the training videos that is making insane revenue of these products, and create something yourself influenced on that. So that's a big difference between copying and pasting and influencing. Website number 2, rewardy.co. Now this is a website if you want to make some extra cash for spending money, to invest into ads or to invest into other things. But keep in mind, this website's not going to pay huge amounts of money. The average user gets paid $5.76, which was a withdrawal that was made yesterday as well. People have made a total of $600,000 amongst 1 million registered users, but if you keep in mind, not everyone is necessarily active on this website. On the left-hand side, if you click on the Earn button, you can view the various different ways that you can earn money. You can make money through watching Twitch streams, listening to music, watching clips, Flappy Bird, taking quizzes. You'll see up here they have daily challenges and different rewards for you to complete to earn more coins. Once you've earned coins, you can exchange those coins for real money available for you to withdraw. This website pays out in Litecoin, which is a cryptocurrency, direct PayPal, Bitcoin, Ethereum, directly Visa gift card, Amazon, or Roblox. This website also has a raffle option where you can enter the chance chance to double your money or lose it all. Now, I'm not going to recommend this option just purely because that's not what I would do. I would rather get my safe, consistent return off the site and withdraw what I have from completing my tasks. If you do want to go for it, you can risk doubling your money, but you're also risking losing it all. Website number 3, wop.com. And this is a platform I use to run one of my largest businesses that I've started up in the last 2 years. I'm going to show you full transparency what I've earned off this website and how exactly you can start earning off this site. Now, this isn't a website where you're necessarily going to just complete tasks and get paid for that. This is a platform where you can host online e-com stores, where you can make money online reselling various items. You can sell trading tools or indicators or Discord memberships where users can pay you a monthly subscription for access to your Discord server. You can host sports picks, where you can have a section where you can bet on different sports games and give out tips on different sport betting options. You can host e-com stores such as dropshipping and FBA. You can host a membership area where people can receive deals on food, travel, and credit cards. Business, so you can host products that will help people start up and build their own businesses, such as funnel builders, ad courses. Students, so you can give students tips on how they can save money and discover studying hacks to work less. Social media, you can guide people on how to create optimized social media content and they can pay you a monthly subscription for that service. You can host a software as a service product and sell a software as a membership product. Personal finance, teaching people how to manage their money and invest wisely, fitness programs, traveling, and you can host your own podcasts and sell your podcast content. So this is really the all-in-one marketplace to host anything online and start monetizing your online business. This platform has personally paid me out a lifetime net revenue of $47,115, with currently today a pending balance of just under or just over $700 due for withdrawal. And I'm constantly making withdrawals of this website. I host a Discord server, which is a trading mentorship through wop.com, which is one of the highest success rates, which is why a lot of people stick with my program and why it has a really high retention rate. You can also become an affiliate for any of the offers on wop.com. So if I want to come over to Sport Picks, I can view up all of the Sport Pick options and Discord servers on wop.com. I will get a flat 20% commission for my referral. You don't necessarily need to create your own product or Discord server if you just want to become a standard affiliate. However, if you do create your own, obviously all of those commissions are 100% yours because it's your own product. That is why WOP is on my list today. Over $320 million has been purchased on WOP.com, over 5.8 million memberships and over 12,000 available products. So you can work out just amongst these 12,000 people what they're getting a fair share of. Fourth on my list is cashstars.com, where we can get paid to play games, retweet tweets, mine crypto, watch YouTube videos, refer others to this platform, browse Google, promote offers, write posts. When you're busy performing these tasks, you're going to be prompted with a bunch of adverts, and that's essentially how you're going to get paid, because companies around the world pay Cashstars money to run ads on their platform. Cashstars then promotes those ads to us, but at the same time rewards us for performing these tasks and also viewing these ads while we perform these tasks. So it's a really easy way to make some cash online. It's not going to pay a ton of money, but it will definitely pay a couple of dollars per day. Fifth on today's video, one of my favorite platforms called Kartra.com. Now, Kartra.com is an all-in-one business package where you can host online funnels, membership areas, sell digital products all around the world, create your own personally branded websites, host email campaigns. So it's the perfect place to capture leads in your business, whether that's through your social media content, give away freebies, collect them in an email campaign, to upsell them and downsell them to various different paid products. You can create all sorts of funnels throughout your business, such as a generic landing page, your traffic campaigns. Once people land on your page, you can send them through an email campaign to various different sales pages, upsells, downsells, discounts, membership areas. You can host your own videos, private course areas, and the best part is they have zero transaction fees. Throughout my journey on Kartra.com, I have generated a gross volume of $81,000 off Kartra and my sales pages, and a net volume of $72,000 through my various different landing pages. So a very powerful tool to build businesses, especially if you're a content creator, or even if you're a complete newbie to the online world. This is a great place to start hosting your online businesses and your offers to make money with. Number 6, Repocket.co. Now this is a really cool platform because you can actually earn a really decent passive income from this website where you can get paid for unused internet. And the fantastic thing is they actually have a calculator over here on how much you can earn. Depending on the number of devices that you have and the number of data that you want to share per day will depend on how much you're going to earn per month. So the minimum is if you have one device uploading 500 megabytes a day, you're going to earn $3 a month. Completely passively, you can literally leave your phone on your desk and let this run for the entire month. But this is where you can start to make good money from this. The more devices you have, the more substantially you're going to earn. So if I upgrade this to 6 devices and I upgrade my data to 4 gigs per day, I'm now going to be earning $144 a month completely passively. And if I put this at the max, 10 devices uploading 10 gigs of data a day, I'm going to be earning $600 a month, which for some people, that's a very solid income where you can afford quite an extra amount of nice things. So yeah, as you can see, this website is not going to pay thousands, but it's definitely a great way to earn a really nice passive income online, whether you want to reinvest that, let it grow for itself, whatever different opportunities there are out there. If you want to create content and sell your WAP product and make money off that by reinvesting what you've made here into that, it kind of makes that risk free as well. So there's so much different things you can do once you have access to that passive income. Really great platform. You just have to go and download the app. You can set up your options, how much you want to upload per day. Also, if you have multiple phones or multiple PCs, you can just simply go and install Repocket.co on all of those devices and let them run all at the same time. Number 7 on my list today, BlueGuardian.com. This is a platform or a company that's going to give people anywhere from $10,000 to $200,000 in funding, in real money, in a trading account to trade with and make money. Now, specifically with this platform, I'm going to reference you to a free mentorship that will teach you how to actually make money on these accounts and gain consistent payouts. So don't worry, I'm not only going to show you this website, I'm going to show you how you can actually make money from it. Now let's use a simple mathematical criteria of a $100,000 account, and you simply making a small return of 3% per month. For you or me, that's an extra $3,000 a month off this account, and you're not even using any of your own capital. $3,000 a month in today's world and time is not a wealthy income, but it's enough money to afford your own house and your own car and your food and necessities every month and actually live independently. Never mind the months where you may earn 5 or 10%. And the beautiful thing is with this particular company, you can scale your account. So they actually offer a max of $800,000 in funding, meaning you're allowed a maximum of 4 $200,000 accounts or 8 $100,000 accounts. So when you get to the point when you're at large money of $800,000 or $1 million and you're making 2% a month, that's now over $20,000 a month. So this is a very scalable business. This is what I do full-time off of YouTube and away from my online businesses is full-time prop firm trading, which is my largest stream of income. Personally, I'm $2 million funded, going for $3 million. So when you get to that point where you're making 1 or 2% per month, it ends up being a good amount of money. So this website is called BlueGuardian.com. I will leave a link in the description down below to a free 45-minute video that I've created for you guys as well that will teach you how you can gain consistent payouts on these accounts. Number 8, very similar to number 7. The fantastic thing about this company is they will give you instant funding. So unlike Blue Guardian, where you have to complete an evaluation first before you get access to this live capital, because keep in mind, they're not going to give this money to everybody and anybody. There's very few companies in this world that can afford to dish out $200,000 to every single person that comes here. Well, with Blue Guardian, you need to first make 10% on a dummy account to prove to them that you are worthy of their live capital. Now, the difference between them and instantfunding.io is that you get access to live capital immediately. You don't have to complete an evaluation. They offer anywhere from $1,250 to $80,000 in funding. They also have a scaling plan. Every time you make 10% on this account, your account size doubles. So let's take the example of a $40,000 account. If you make $4,000 on that account the next month then doubles to $80,000. If you then again make $8,000 on that $80,000 account, that account doubles to $160,000. And you can keep repeating that to a max of $1.28 million. So these firms are really fantastic for those that don't have access to 6-figure money to be able to trade with and make huge returns with. Well, this is where these companies are here to help you. And again, I'm talking about this today because I do this full time. I've created over 200 funded members last year alone. I've personally mentored over 2,000 people. Really fantastic way to build a fully fledged wealthy business online in today's era. Second last, macadam.app. So this is an application that's going to pay you to walk. And how this application works is you install the application on your phone, it tracks your steps, it tracks your heart rate, it monitors your overall general health analytics, heart rate, breathing, steps, and it basically sells that information to various different companies. Let's take, for example, Nike, and then Nike will advertise you with a pair of shoes, and that's essentially how this application is able to make money, but also pay you money for every single step that you take. For every step that you take, you will earn a specific amount of coins. You can then exchange those coins for euros, which then from there you can withdraw those euros to your local currency. So for example, I'm in South Africa, I can use an exchange such as PayPal or even cryptocurrency to withdraw those euros and then finally withdraw that into my local currency. So if you're a vivid hiker or if you're big into fitness and walking and hiking and running, this is definitely a great application to start making money doing those various different ventures. Number 10 on my list for the crypto geeks, coinsupply.com. This is a platform where you can earn free Bitcoin for completing tasks and doing the things that you love. You can play Bitcoin by playing mobile and desktop games. I mean, fantastic. Most of us game. Why wouldn't we want to earn money off that at the same time? We can complete different offers such as surveys and various different tasks, which may include watching a YouTube video or tweeting someone's tweet, and you will earn Bitcoin for that. You can share your opinion by completing surveys that will ask you various different questions. Various companies pay coinsupply.com to collect data from users by creating surveys, and every time we complete a survey, we will earn a certain amount of Bitcoin. We can also watch videos, whether that's on YouTube, Twitch, rumble.com, Instagram videos, and every time we watch a video, we will earn and I'll see you over there.